Chapter number 8, Utilization of Aromatic Plants and Derived Product from Subject Industrial Natural Product. First definition. Aromatic plants are plants which produce and exude aromatic substance which are used in making perfume, in cooking and in food, pharmaceutical and liquor industry. Aromatic plants are used since ancient time. The natural essential oil and their perfume play vital role in human body since the beginning of civilization. The art of perfume making was first conceived and employed in East, especially in India, Egypt, Persia, and China. Traditionally, rose flavors had been available in India since 1000 years. And during Mughal period, Oriental type of perfumes like attars were produced and exported to other countries as a traditional produce of essential oil. Cultural custom associated with the use of aromatic medicinal plant, for example, curative, antiseptic, antioxidants, food, technology, and preservative. Traditionally, these are the uses of volatile oil. Utilization of volatile oils. Utilization of volatile oils is seen in various industry like in insecticide preparation. For example, manufacture of spray, repellents and disinfectant. Volatile oil will be used for various purpose. Also in cosmetic and toiletry preparation. For example, soap, detergent, perfume, spray, cream and shaving preparation. Volatile oil or aromatic oil has been used. Next, in textile industry. In textile industry, volatile oil will be used as a purpose of finishing deodorants. In motor industry, polishes, cleaners are also in that ingredient is volatile oil. Next will be in dental preparation. In toothpaste, tooth powder and antiseptic dental antiseptic preparation, volatile oil will be also used. In medical field, in pharmaceutical preparation, various preparation contain volatile oil. Herbal preparation or also other preparation. In tobacco industry, chewing tobacco, these are the ingredients of made up of ingredients of volatile oil. Also in adhesive, paste and glue preparation, it will be also used either in fragrance purpose or other use. There are many of the volatile oil, but your syllabus include only 6 oils. First one is the menthol. Menthol, it is a colorless crystalline compound having peppermint like odor. It is obtained from peppermint or other species of mentha like Mentha spicata, Mentha piperita or Mentha arvensis belonging to family Lamiaceae. Menthol also synthetically produced from myrcene, citronellal and limonene. This is the structure of menthol. Utilization or use of menthol. Menthol will be used as a for the purpose of cooling sensation. Over a century, menthol has been used as a decongestant for cooling purpose. This reflects a purely subjective sensation linked to the cooling sensation, which may be due to the stimulation of thermoreceptor of the nasal cavity. Traditionally, menthol will be used as a topically to relieve nasal congestion in the common cold and as an analgesic for mouth and pharynx infection. It is also used in mouthwash formulation for oral hygiene and cooling sensation. Next one is the flavoring property. Menthol is used as a flavor in medicine as well as in other pharmaceutical and hygiene preparation. For food technology, it is used in liquors, soda, concentrated syrup, and in confectionery like candy, chewing gum, and chocolate preparation, and also in tobacco industry. Antipruritic. It is menthol also used as a antipruritic. It is used as a emollient and itch relieving treatment for skin diseases as well as topic protective agent for cracks, frostbite and insect bite. Antispasmodic and carminative. Menthol also used as a antispasmodic and carminative. Orally, menthol is used for symptomatic treatment of functional dyspepsia. In France, it is being used as a antispasmodic during colonoscopy or rectal barium sulfate administration for X-ray visualization, as it decreases the frequency of spasm and decrease the need of additional administration of intravenous spasmolytic drug. Next one is the vetiver oil, or it is also known as khaskhas. It is obtained from Vetiveria zizanioides belonging to family Gramineae. Vetiver oil, it is obtained from grass, or it is a grass that can be found in the both tropical and subtropical part of world. Oil obtained by steam distillation of cleaned and washed rootlets of herb. It is one of essential oil which has no synthetic substituent. Chemical constituent. Vetiver oil contain vetiveron, vetiverone, vetivin and cadinin. Next, utilization or use of vetiver oil. First one is the antispasmodic. It is used for relieving muscle pain and spasm. Next one, antiseptic. It is used for skin. It is used as a skin care of acne, cuts and dry skin. For relieving or minimizing acne. Next one, it will act as a rubefacient. It increases blood flow to sore muscle. Next one is the one, it will be act as a circulatory stimulant. It revitalizes by fortifying red blood cells. Next one is the fixative. It will be vetiver oil will be used in formulation of soap, cosmetic and perfume as a fixation purpose. Also, vetiver oil used in production of eugenol, isoeugenol and vanillin. Behind this, it is also used in aromatherapy for muscular rheumatism, arthritis, anxiety, insomnia and depression. Next one is the geranium oil. Geranium oil commercial obtained by geranium oil. It is obtained from tender part of the plants of various species of genus Pelargonium belonging to family Geraniaceae, or other species Pelargonium graciland, Pelargonium, or other species of Pelargonium like Pelargonium graciland, Pelargonium capitatum, Pelargonium odoratusum, etc. Geranium oil is obtained by steam distillation of tender parts of the plants from like leaves, stalk and flower. Chemical constituents are geraniol, citronellal, other are linalool, methanol, isomethanol, limonene and phenylate. Utilization or use of geranium oil. Geranium oil will be used as an antidepressant, anti bacterial, antifungal, nematicide and insecticide. It is mild, analgesic and sedative and may be used for neuralgia. As an antiseptic, it is an excellent remedy for burns. It will also used as a flavoring agent. Also in aromatherapy, it is used as a fragrance in oil kinds of cosmetic products and oil massage. Its aroma is repeatedly beneficial for menstrual and hormonal problems. Next one is the eucalyptus oil. British Pharmacopoeia describes that eucalyptus oil is the oil distilled from the fresh leaves of Eucalyptus globulus belonging to family Myrtaceae. Eucalyptus oil is colorless, straw-colored fluid when it will be freshly prepared. Eucalyptus oil has characteristics, odor and taste. Eucalyptus oil will be soluble in its own weight of alcohol. Chemical constituents are eucalyptol 70% and cymene. Cymene, it is nothing but the terpene. It consists of chiefly a terpene, that is cymene. Utilization. Use of eucalyptus oil mainly divided into three classes of commercial importance. First one is the medicinal oils. The medicinal oils are distilled from species Eucalyptus globulus. Small amount of eucalyptol or eucalyptol will be used for the purpose of medicinal purpose. Next one is the industrial oil. The industrial oil contains terpenes used for next use is industrial purpose or industrial oil. It contains terpenes, that is cymene, used for flotation purpose in mining operation. Next one is the for aromatic oil. Eucalyptus citriodora, it is the species characterized by aroma. Also eucalyptus oil show antiseptic and stimulant action. It will be also used for easy congestion and relaxed chest. Next one is the sandalwood oil. Sandalwood oil, East Indian, according to trade, East Indian sandalwood oil will distill from heartwood and roots of Santalum album belonging to family Santalaceae. Sandalwood oil, it has characteristic sweet and woody odor. Chemical constituent of sandalwood oil are mainly santalol, that is about 90%, which has high boiling point. Utilization. Sandalwood oil is used to calm and cool the body and to easy sunstroke. And also it is used as a sedative, used in massage blend and treat anxiety and depression. Also, sandalwood oil will be act as an ingredient in manufacture of traditional attars like rose attars. Also, it will be used as a gentle antiseptic and diuretic. In urinary problem like cystitis, it will be also used. Soothing, and due to soothing property of sandalwood oil, it will be used in beneficial for acne and also act as an anti-inflammatory.